Hello everyone! Robots are no longer confined to science fiction. They're becoming a tangible part of our world, and Unitree Robotics is leading the charge with its impressive robotic dogs. These aren't just mechanical pets. They're sophisticated machines poised to revolutionize industries and redefine how we work. Unitree, founded in 2016, has quickly become a key player in the world of legged robots. Their robotic dog lineup, including models like the Oliengo, Lakego, and the advanced B1 and B2 series, showcases a remarkable evolution in agility, power, and intelligence. These robots are engineered with sophisticated systems that allow them to navigate complex environments, perform tasks, and even learn. A core strength of Unitree's robots is their advanced locomotion. Each leg is powered by high-torque electric motors and precisely engineered joints, granting these robots an impressive range of motion. They can climb stairs, traverse rough terrain, maintain balance, and even perform dynamic maneuvers like jumping. This agility is essential for real-world applications, enabling them to access areas difficult or impossible for other machines or even humans. Beyond their physical capabilities, Unitree's robotic dogs are equipped with sensors and sophisticated AI cameras. LiDAR and other sensors provide a comprehensive understanding of their surroundings, allowing them to perceive obstacles, map environments, and plan their movements. Onboard computers process this data in real time, enabling autonomous decision-making and adaptation. This combination of physical prowess and artificial intelligence makes these robotic dogs truly remarkable. The potential applications are vast. In construction, they could carry materials, navigate cluttered sites, and assist with inspections. For security, they could patrol large areas, monitor for suspicious activity, and enhance surveillance. Disaster relief could see them navigating through rubble to search for survivors. They could also revolutionize agriculture by monitoring crops and assisting with harvesting. The B series represents a significant advancement. These models feature enhanced power, improved stability, and more sophisticated AI. The B2, designed for industrial use, is robust and can carry heavier loads. Its advanced control system allows for precise movements, expanding its range of applications. The future of robotic dogs holds immense potential. As AI evolves, these robots will become more intelligent and autonomous, capable of more complex tasks and more natural human interaction. Imagine them assisting the elderly, providing companionship, or acting as personal assistants. However, this advanced technology raises ethical questions. We must consider their use, potential impact on employment, and the ethical implications of their deployment. Responsible development is crucial. Unitree recognizes these concerns and is committed to responsible innovation. That's all for now. Goodbye.